Hello everybody, tonight we make something delicious. Everybody like this dish. We make a meatball with orecchiette. Look how beautiful. This is the meat I was I chop by myself. This is a short rib pork and a short rib beef. I chop and now we gotta start mix everything. But before I do the meatball, I want to cook the pasta. And let's pour the pasta. I got a salt right over here, the water boil. Okay. And now this is the pasta. Okay, good. And we give a little mix. Okay, no stick together. But it never stick, guy use a lot of water.
Carol sent you some stars.
Okay, thank you very much for the star. Thank you. Now, this is the meat I got over here. And we got to put black pepper. Okay, we got it. Now, salt. It's enough. I got a garlic. I chop really, really thin the garlic. I got a parsley. Okay. We got eggs. I use 2 eggs. And we got a cheese. This is a pecorino cheese. And now we start the mix. My hands it's clean. I wash already and now I like to mix with my hand. Yeah, I got the breadcrumb right over here. But first I want to mix this a little bit. Okay, now the breadcrumb.
Hey, Wendy, if you're interested in the apron or any other merch that we have, just do a hashtag merch as a comment, and that'll be sent directly to your inbox.
Okay, we need more parsley. Good. And done.
Is that like a 1 pound altogether, maybe? Or how much is...
Yeah, it's a little bit more than one, like a 18 ounces.
And it's beef and pork, right?
Yes, beef and pork. Now, you want to put something else inside. That's okay. A lot of people like the veal. Yeah, you can put veal. Okay, now, this is a mix. I want to know everybody what you got to do before you do the meatball. It's a mix now. Come on. Come on, Jeremy.
What do you got to do?
Huh?
Italian sushi?
Come on, Jeremy. Test. I got to test, okay? Perfect. I don't need nothing. And now, we got to roll it like a boss. And we do the meatball.
Yeah, people are asking about the recipe. If you just do a hashtag yummy in the comments, that'll be sent directly to your inbox. Hashtag yummy. So what do you think? Are these big enough? Perfect size?
Well, it's good. You want them more big, you can make them more big. Anyway. But I do this size like this. Because when I eat the meatball, it's one bite. Boom. Wow. I gotta drink a little wine, you know.
Ricky gave you 200 stars and he said that's the perfect size.
Thank you very much for the star, everybody. Thank you. Okay, I got a little bit more over here. What do you think? What I gotta do with this? Okay, let me wash my hand. Okay. Paper towel.
Eduarda, thank you for the 200 stars. Thank you.
Okay, I want to take a little turn for the pasta. Everything is good. Okay, I got the oven on 400 degrees. And we put it inside. Okay, now the pasta, you gotta cook a little bit more. All right. At the time, let's say salute e cincin ad everybody. Cincin e salute. Thank you so much for the star. Cincin, salute. Really good. Now, I gotta put take out this stuff over here. I don't need the salt and the black pepper. Everything I gotta use this. Okay. And this out over here. And let me clean a little bit of
Thank you for all the stars, everybody. You guys are going crazy tonight. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Okay.
And let us know how fast the recipe gets sent to your inbox when you do a hashtag yummy.
I gotta take my heat. I gotta put the sauce on top of the heat. You see, I put the thing on. Look at that. It's so hot.
It's electric.
Yeah, look at boom. Okay, the pasta boil good. Okay, now the meatball can go in the oven. Ooh. Okay. And now I want to taste the pasta. You gotta cook a little bit more, like maybe 4 more minutes. But at the same time, I want to show it everybody. You see what I got over here?
So what do you have here? Is it sauce or is it gravy?
No, this is sauce.
Oh,
Sauce.
fancy.
This is my own make sauce. I make every year. I make. And I was use over here. I got a 2 jar. I use for my sauce. And this is the meatball I was making already. Like this. We not gotta wait for the other meatball. Cause we got this already done. Okay, look how nice. Huh? Now what we gotta do, we gotta wait a little bit more for the pasta. I use this dish.
So when the meatballs are, how long are you cooking the meatballs in the oven?
Well, the meatball, you know, gotta cook too long. Like maybe 12 to 13 minutes. Okay, you not gotta cook all the way. The only thing the meatball you gotta do is give a little color. And after you cook on a sauce, okay, it come a nice soft the meatball. E salute Chin Chin e thank you for the star. Chin Chin. I put it right over here. And I got some oye baby over here.
So the hot peppers are usually long hot peppers or chili peppers.
No, the chili pepper. This I call a long Italian hot pepper. It was the hot pepper over here.
I took them. You want it?
You give it to me one, at least
Any
one. You take all. I go get it. Okay. One. Thank you. This look like. It's hot. Okay, now we got this. And we got the cheese. After I gotta put little cheese. Okay. I think maybe not. 1 minute. 1 minute. It's so good.
Thank you for all the stars again, everybody.
Thank you very much. I want to drink with a star. Tonight I'm the star. Chin Chin salute. Thank you for the star. Chin Chin.
And just let everybody know when we're live.
Okay. On Monday, 6:30, we live with the support. Every Tuesday, 6 o'clock or 6:30, every Tuesday, it's live for everybody. Okay? All right, now the pasta is ready. And I want to leave it on cold water, but not for the pasta, for the sink. Okay. We turn off and let's drain this. Oh. Turn the water off.
Thank you, Sean and Ricky. Appreciate that.
Okay.
We're filming from New Jersey.
All right. And now we bring the pasta over here. And we do like this.
We're live from Long Branch.
Long Branch. Okay, now I need the cheese.
Oh, so you put it in there first?
Yeah, I put over here, we come out with the dish. After I put in my dish too. Okay. If we give a nice mix of this. Look there. Look how beautiful. Now I gotta do my dish. I take these spots out of over here.
Yes, or a kit.
Okay. Look how nice, huh? You see the meatball? Oh, the sausage is delicious. This is delicious but strong. The meatball.
Look here. Somebody sent you bunny ears.
Really, really hot. Thank you very much. And we see you again on Tuesday, 6 or 6:30. And thank you all the time that come and look for me, my recipe. And thank you for the star. Chin chin. E salute to everybody. Okay? Thank you so much. I'm so happy. A lot of people like the way I'm cook. A lot of people I find like today. And the people he said to me, he not said to me, he said to me, chin chin. Oh, thank you very much. He said, I love all your recipe you make. I said, thank you. I told her, tonight I'm cook 6 o'clock. He said, oh, I got to look. I said, thank you. Chin chin, salute, and we see you next week. Chin chin. Thank you.
And just a quick big thank you to Debbie for the 500 stars. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the star of everybody. Chin chin.
And big thank you to Andrews Anthony for writing, hashtag yummy for the recipes. Thank you.
Okay.
Constantly, like
it
every 5
makes me
seconds.
happy. You know, I'm too old, but when I eat this, oh, I'm so happy. Thank you.
See you next Tuesday.